This video is a part of the software configuration management subject in Mafalon University. The tool that I use to control code is Subversions, and control documentation is about Google Document. Today, I would like to show you how to get started with Subversions, including how to set up repositories, work on files, and utilize some of the enhanced features that Assemble.com offers on both paid and free host Subversions accounts. While I'm explain how all it works, I'm gonna fix a few problems I recently noticed on one of my websites. This will provide a real-world example of how to use the Subversions, especially if you're extremely-minded and have multiple personalities. First, add a Subversion tool to your workspace. You can get a free account or add it into your existing paid account. If you haven't already installed a Subversion client to handle the communication between the master copy of your project on the server and the working copy on your local hard drive, I'm using Tourist Svn which work with Windows Explorer. But although in a few examples from Svn just to show you how another client looks. To populate your server repository initially, use Svn import functions. Input username and passwords. You can check to see the file have arrived safely by using the Assemble code browser. Subversion record the who, what, and when every change. The way Subversion work, you're gonna create a new directories on your hard drive and associate a new empty directories with a specific server repositories. Right-click on the folder you plan to use and select Svn Checkout.
Social to use and select Svn Checkout. Now copy your repository's URL and paste it in, and then enter your username and password.
When the process complete, Tourist Svn will put the green point on the folder to stay up to date. Whenever you make a change to a file and save, the Tourist Svn will mark a red 1 on your file. Use Svn commit your change to your repository. It's a very good idea to describe what you are doing to a commit command. And then, okay, next one, we are going to show you another client by using Smart Svn. First, I'm gonna check out my project from the repositories. By first input a repository URL, see your project on your repositories. And click next for checkout to. This is the directories that you want to put the project. And click checkout. When a project complete, you will see a working copy of your project. The task is to update the title of my website. Smart Svn indicated in a local state column that the index.html has been modified. Yes, this one, index.html has modified. Use Smart Svn function commit. The version will be up and local state is 2 unchanged. Okay, back from lunch. You will use a Svn update function to see that the HTML has been changed. In the index, the title of the website will be changed. You can see the compare with the previous versions by using div with the previous versions. This is a previous versions and this is a current versions. Red one is the change. I will show you if I'm edit this website every time. Save. Every time that you finish your work, you have to commit this work to your repositories every time by use function commit and put commit comment. The file will be changed to check to show you that is up to date. The Assembler code browser is a gateway to review your code and see how the subversion work. This function is show you what is the change and who change a file. You can see what it changed by compare with the previous versions. You can see what changed between any two commit, and even make inline comment link to specific line of your program. This line will have comment. But by far, the most important way Assembler enhance the subversion experience is through the many tools are provided for communication and planning, including the activity stream, which provide a unified view of your team efforts. That's all about Assembler subversions. I hope your guide made it even more useful. And in the next part is control the document by using a Google Drive. Let's see.
This is the second part of Scm Tool. I will show you how to control version of document in Google Docs. I start from go to this link and log in to use Google Docs. This is the main page of Google Docs. This is the example document that I will open in Google Docs. I will edit some text. When I edit the text, the system will save and create a history. Then I can know what I changed in my work by click File and click See Revision History. This shows the current version that I did. When I click Show More Detailed Revisions, it will show every detail that I did. When I click this version, it shows the detail that I did in that version. If I click Restore this revision, I can do this work in previous version. If I want to go back to the version that I edit, click File and click See Revision History again. Click the version and click Restore this revision. It will show my work with the version that I edit the text. When I click Docs Home, this work will be saved automatically with current version. Let's see you can manage your work in each version by using revision in Google Docs. So, thank you very much for watching.